Hey guys, this is Vacuum 103 here, and today I figured I would do another video of me vacuuming the bedroom with the Hoover Hoover Tempo bagless, and show you guys what I did. I pushed the couch back forward, and you can see all that mess that's all over the floor. So we're gonna see what the tempo does for doing all this mess. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, as y'all can see, this carpet's like pretty dirty. I do need to shampoo it. So let's see what this picked up. Oh yeah, it did pick up a lot of, well, not a lot, but a little bit of hair. There's some dirt all over the filter, stuff like that. But so yeah, you can see I did a good job of cleaning. So yeah, and it's been a while since I haven't done a video. I was just real busy here lately, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace.